presence of God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, we have come together to witness the marriage of Matthew Thomas Warburton and Abbie Melissa Reynolds, to pray for God's blessing on them, to share their joy, and to celebrate their love.
Damn it! When it felt like my whole world was falling apart, it felt like, wow, we're really coming together. Oh. Can't read documents, can you read it?
In this moment, bright and true,
a tale unfolds of love and new.
Our youngest sister, radiant bride, with joy and grace stands by his side.
A journey shared hand in hand.
Through life's unknown, they'll bravely stand.
In laughter, tears, in highs and lows.
Together they'll weather all that blows. The bond they share, a sacred tie.
Underneath the open sky.
Promises made, hearts intertwined, a future bright in love aligned. Their love has bloomed, a family grown, with a precious child, their very own.
A beacon of joy, their little one, in a shining star like a morning sun. We gather here with hearts so full,
witnessing this love so beautiful. May every day bring light and cheer, and may their love grow year by year. To the bride and groom we toast tonight, to a life of joy and pure delight. May your path be blessed, your hearts remain, forever bound in love's sweet refrain.
It will, yeah. Let's go. Nice.
I, Matt, take you, Abbie, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us do part.
I, Abbie, take you, Matt, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us do part.
I hope you have them. Oh, great. So it's an amazing moment.
Abbie, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body, I honour you. All that I am, I give to you. And all that I have, I share with you. Within the love of God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Matt, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body, I honour you. All that I am, I give to you. And all that I have, I share with you. Within the love of God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
In the presence of God and before this congregation, Abbie and Matt have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife.
Matching Abbie on a well-known dating site whilst you play for Northampton was probably the highlight of your Northampton career. I and everyone here today are delighted for you both and so glad we can be part of the celebrations. Seeing you both grow into amazing parents and bring Harper into this world is a special moment for all, and I am proud of where you're at in your lives.
She was always going to be involved with somebody with sport. Unfortunately, the wrong code, but Matt came and stayed with us during the COVID lockdown. We got to know him very, very well. There was a few things I learned from Matt while he was with us. One was his parking wasn't great. And when it came to him offering to help me shovel grain, he didn't like heights. We genuinely spent a lot of lovely time over the lockdown period, and it was a pleasure to have him about. So we are really happy to have you part of our family.
They got very serious.
On to my wife. The new Mrs. Warburton. I've always said that with Abbie. I'm punching and proud. And today that statement couldn't be more true. You look absolutely incredible, and I'm so proud that I get to call you my wife. I think when you were young and you start to gather an understanding of life, you paint a picture of what it might look like when you get older. Abbie far and away surpasses my childhood dreams. I can honestly say that after our first date, I know she was the one for me, and I hope I proved that statement true to you today. Me and Abbie first met in August of 2019. Dates came thick and fast. I soon realised Abbie had a passion for eating out. Even at the slightest suggestion of doing so, she was ready and in the car, knowing what she was going to have, having already Googled the menu. And then lockdown happened. And while the whole world felt like it was falling apart, it felt like mine was really coming together. As sad and difficult lockdown was for so many people, I have to be honest, I had a great time. Sundays turned into pool parties, the cottages turned into driving range, but in truth, it really sped our relationship up, and I will always look at that time and regard it as special. You've given me the greatest gift of all in our little girl, and it has really allowed me to see you at your best. You've taken to motherhood so quickly and make it look so easy, which has earned you the title of Superwoman from me. Harper is the most special, smiley, and sure to be cheekiest little girl, and you're the driving force behind that. You are the most amazing mother to Harper, and she's so lucky to have you, and so am I. So ladies and gentlemen, if you could join me in being upstanding, and join me in a toast to Abbie.